It's 2025, and AI is changing everything. People are making thousands of dollars with this AI business, but barely anyone knows about it. The best part? No upfront cost, no inventory, and AI does most of the work for you. So what is this AI-powered business? Let's dive in. You're probably wondering, why do most people fail at making money online? They try, they invest, they grind, but still, nothing works. Here's the truth. Most beginners get trapped in the wrong business model. They waste months setting up a store, picking products they think will sell, and hoping for the best. And then, silence. No sales. But what if I told you? The problem isn't you. It's the way you're approaching it. Thanks to AI, the game has changed. You don't need to guess what works. You don't need a warehouse, and you definitely don't need to invest thousands up front. The real secret? You need to sell what people are already begging to buy. But here's the problem. Most people don't even know where to find those winning products. Look at this. Google Trends literally shows us what's exploding right now, but almost no one is using it properly. See this massive spike? That means people are actively searching for this product. But most sellers? They don't even know about this until it's too late. Thanks to AI, you can predict the market before it even happens. Just ask ChatGPT. Boom! Instant business ideas backed by real-time data. This is where the winners separate from the losers. The people who find these trends early, they cash in. The ones who wait, they get left behind. But here's the mistake most people make. They pick the wrong platform. There are hundreds of ways to sell online, but some are filled with hidden fees, some are slow, and some, they just don't work. So what's the real way to take these trends and turn them into a business? Alright, let's break this down step by step, because finding a winning product isn't just about trends, it's about picking something that lasts, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Now look at this. Shoes, t-shirts, and bags. These aren't just trends, they're products people buy every single day. The demand never dies. But here's the catch. Not all of them are easy to sell. T-shirts? Super competitive. You can make money, but only if you have a unique strategy, something that makes your store stand out. Otherwise, you'll get lost in the crowd. That's why I'd recommend looking at bags and shoes. Less competition, more profit potential, and there are even more hidden gems out there. But you'll have to research those yourself. Now here's the big question. How do you actually start? Because knowing what works is one thing, but turning that into a real business, that's where most people fail. See, most beginners make the same mistake. They overcomplicate things. They try to do everything manually, and in the end, they waste time, they waste money, and they give up. But what if I told you there's a way to set this up in minutes? No stress, no confusion, just a proven system that works. You want to start an online business, but you don't want the hassle of coding, setting up a complicated website, or managing inventory. You want something that actually works, something scalable, something that lets you focus on what truly matters, building your brand and making sales. But how do you start? Well, here's the answer. You need a website. And to get a website, you need a hosting provider. Now, there are so many out there, GoDaddy, Bluehost, Namecheap. But the one I personally use and recommend, Hostinger. Why? Because unlike others, Hostinger gives you an AI website builder, a free domain, and one of the most affordable hosting plans out there. And guess what? You don't need to know coding. You tell the AI what to build, and it builds the website for you. After that, just tweak a few things, and you're good to go. So, I've linked Hostinger in the description. Go ahead, sign up, and grab your free domain. Once you've got your hosting, it's time to set up your website. And for that, we're using WordPress. Now, why WordPress? Well, it's the most powerful website builder in the world, and it's available inside Hostinger. But just installing WordPress isn't enough. You need to turn it into an online store. And that's where WooCommerce comes in. WooCommerce is a free plugin that transforms your WordPress website into a full e-commerce store, allowing you to sell products, accept payments, and manage orders, all from one place. Alright, you've got WooCommerce installed. But now the big question. What are you going to sell? Where do you get products? How do you manage shipping? Do you need to stock inventory? Do you need suppliers from China? The answer is no, because there's a better way. Instead of handling inventory yourself, Printful does it all for you. Printful is a print-on-demand platform that lets you sell custom products, t-shirts, shoes, phone cases, hoodies, without ever touching a single item. When a customer places an order on your website, Printful automatically prints, packs, and ships it for you. You don't even have to lift a finger. But wait, how does Printful connect to WooCommerce? Here's what you do. Install the Printful integration plugin inside WordPress. This plugin directly syncs Printful with WooCommerce, so any product you create in Printful will instantly appear on your store. No manual work, no headaches, just seamless automation. Now, here's where it gets fun. Once Printful is connected, you need products. And to make your products unique, you need designs. You can either create them yourself in Canva, use AI tools like ChatGPT, Leonardo AI, Canva AI, or simply go with Canva for manual design. Just upload your design, place it on a product, and boom, it's ready to sell. So now that your store is set up, your products are listed, and everything is connected, how do you make money? Simple. Every time a customer buys from your store, Printful takes care of production and shipping, deducts its base cost, and you keep the remaining profit. No upfront costs, no warehouses, just pure automated business. And that's it. Your online business is live. From here, it's all about marketing, driving traffic, and scaling up. If you're ready to start, check the links in the description to sign up for Hostinger, get your free domain, and sign up for Printful and start your store today. Let's build something amazing. See you on the other side.